Hi, in front of me is REALME Narzo 20A, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply colorful edges on this device. Firstly, go into Play Store. Now you need to type edges and download this app from this developer. Open it. Click on this theme, name it, tap OK Creative, and over here you can customize your edges however you want to. For example, you can change run style, add pattern, select animation speed, adjust it actually, then change border size and many other things. For example, you can even adjust it to the notch. When you're done, but you want to leave your current wallpaper, you can always click on one of the sources like photos, select the photo, adjust it, and tap at the top right corner. Then click Create and tap on the theme that you just created. Choose Enable Wallpaper, click on Set As, and decide if you want it to be on home screen or home screen and lock screen by clicking on one of these options. So when I click Home button, I can see that my edges were successfully applied. But if you wish to see them when you use your apps, you can always go back into the Edges app, choose Home over here, scroll all the way down and click on the switcher next to Enable Overlay Other App. Then click on Yes, tap on the switcher next to Edges app, go back and tap on the same switcher one more time. So now when I go back, as you can see, I can see my edges when I use apps. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!